Mark II is very special. We see it, we launched in 1985. So it was like a long time ago. We are talking 40 years. It's still the best selling product because we have this very special natural touch of feldspar. Because feldspar is from a natural stone, right? We are also try to offer a natural product because we think a material from a natural world is better for the patient. One day treatment, some material is just too hard to handle, some just not transparent enough, So Mark II is very flexible. So I think this is why Mark II is still the best after 40 years.